Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and deactivate your Spotify premium. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For that purpose, go ahead, open your Spotify app here on your mobile phone. Once your Spotify app is open, what you're going to do is you're going to simply find this kind of homepage. So what you're going to do is, for that premium deactivation, go ahead, tap on this premium option given below right corner. Once you do that, you can see this get premium option if you haven't joined. So you can see currently I'm in Spotify free. So let's say you have done this any of the premium packages that you have got, family, duo, student, whatever you have, get your premium package. What you can do is tap on this get premium option, and this will basically open this kind of interface. So once you open it, tapped on get premium, you can see your plan, right? So you can see all that package name as well, and you can see this change plan option given above. If you tap on this change plan, you will simply be able to change your plan to free. You can go ahead, change your plan to free over here. Once you do that, your another subscription will be removed. But one thing that you have to notice, for example, let's say you have started your premium package for a certain time, let's say if it's for 3 months, and if you would like to cancel it in like 2 months, the 1 month is still remaining. Let's say 15 days are still remaining for it to end, and if your premium has already charged for you at the start of the month, the money won't be refunded to you. You can simply, so better for you to end your total time period since you have been charged for it, and simply change your plan. That's why you will be able to deactivate your particular plan from premium here in Spotify. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.